Let me just move this last video. Wait. Just blow 'em until like 11:30. Remember, I put the geyser on.
Yo. I can play music on YouTube, yeah. Do you have earphones?
Oh wait. Yo, what I do, everyone? So as y'all saw in the first two videos, I found the melody, made the beat. Second video, I mastered the beat. You get what I'm saying? All the elements here, the clap, hi-hat, bass. If y'all haven't seen it, I'll include a card somewhere so y'all can check out the other two videos I'm talking about. So anyway, what I'll be teaching y'all is how to compile a beat here. You get what I'm saying? How to pack it. That's what we call it right here. The side in South Africa. I don't know what you lames call it, that side. But anyway, so yeah. So what I'm gonna do here, come here, then split by channel. So what this does, it basically takes all these elements over here, excluding the audio, and then you can just separate it. You get what I'm saying? So without further ado, let me get to it. I might add some elements. I'm gonna add some sound effects as well. So stay tuned.
Oh, there's FaceTime. Does FaceTime span?
Yeah.
Or it needs an account?
SIM card. So there you go, everyone. I packed the beat. Too lazy to add another bass line or anything. Well, for now, I feel like this is the most basic you can do for a trap beat. Like, trap is very easy, but you just gotta have a feel of the beat, you know. So I'll stick with this for now, but then I'll have other videos where I add like some other things to it, more complex things that make the beat more interesting. Or I can just open up a project from my old beats and then show you guys how it goes. But I prefer to start the beat from the beginning so that y'all can see the process. You get what I'm saying? But I hope that you enjoyed the video, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share this with your friend, guys. You get what I'm saying? If y'all are doing music and shit, like, yeah, put me on, gents. Aware. I'll let it play for one more time. Ciao.